Love popsicles, but don't want all of that extra sugar that's usually added to those store-bought versions? Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we create new recipes each week to support you on your health journey. Today, we're going to be making refreshing mango lime popsicles. Let's begin by cutting up the mangoes. I'll show you two different ways to do this. You first want to look to see where the pit is. You do this by holding the mango upright, and then the pit is shaped just like the mango. So there will be a wider side and a more narrow side. Turn your mango so that the narrow side is facing you. You want to cut the fruit as close to the pit as possible. Place your knife just a little bit over from the center and then cut down. Repeat this to both sides, and then you should be able to get a little bit more fruit off the wider sides. You can make a grid, not cutting all the way through the skin, and then pop out the pieces with your fingers. The other way is to use your paring knife, and first peel away the skin, then slice down the sides and cut up your pieces. Add your chopped up mango to your blender. I've measured out 3 cups, but you don't need to be very specific on the measuring here. A little bit more or a little bit less should be just fine. And depending on the size of your mango, you'll want either 3 to 5. Next, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of full fat coconut cream. And this is just going to add some healthy fats that will slow down the absorption of the sugar from the fruit. Next, we have 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lime juice. Blend up your ingredients. If you like a chunkier consistency, only blend it up a little bit. But if you don't want bits of fruit, just blend it up until it's creamy. Depending on how sweet you prefer your popsicles, you can add in a little bit of your preferred sweetener. I suggest giving it a little taste first, just depending on the ripeness of your fruit. It may or may not need it. I like to add in just a little bit of coconut oil to my popsicle molds so that they will release easier. Pour in your mixture and place in the freezer to set. If you have any left over, you can simply drink it up, or you can pour it into an ice cube tray to make frozen mango cubes. Okay, now we're ready to give these popsicles a taste. They have set in the freezer. They are bursting with flavor. They are so good. And all there is mango, a little bit of lime juice, a little bit of coconut milk, coconut cream. That is it. They are so much better than anything you would find in the store. They're so much healthier than anything you would find in the store. And now also be sure to check below the recipe, because I have included a keto version, a way that you can boost your energy. You can add in a little bit of collagens if you like. Also, you can reduce the fat if you wanted to do that. And then of course, like I mentioned before, you can make it so that it has a little bit more texture by not blending up the mixture quite as much. And do you know what else I really liked? Do you know how I lined the popsicle molds with a little bit of coconut oil? I loved it because it just had just a little bit of crunch on the outside. It was delicious. Definitely give these ones a try. Thanks for joining me today. Have a great rest of your week, and I look forward to seeing you next week in the kitchen. Bye-bye.